Hi, in the previous videos we have been discussing the case 1 and the case 2 scenarios. In this case we are going to talk about the case 3. So the uncle of node X is black. So we have the node X as a left child of a left child. The parent has the color red, the grandparent has the color black, and the uncle, which is basically the other children of the grandparent, has the color black as well. Okay, we know for certain that the uncle has the color black. And in this case, we just have to make a rotation on the node X grandparent. Okay, we have already been discussing the case 1. For the case 1, we just have to make some recoloring. For the case 2, we just have to make a simple right rotation and left rotation on the node's X parent. In this case, this is the case 3, we have to make a simple right rotation on the node's X grandparent. Okay, so this is the grandparent, we have to rotate it to the right in this case. And we are going to end up with this situation. We have to rotate the grandparent to the right. It is a basic rotation as we have seen for the AVL trees. So the subtrees are going to change as you can see. So we have this node X parent, it has the C right child, and it's going to be the left child of the previous grandparent. And what's very important, that the parent and grandparent color has been swapped. Okay, so the parent of X is going to have the color black, and the previous grandparent, as you can see, which is going to be moved here basically, is going to have the color red. So we have to make a simple right rotation on the grandparent, plus we have to make some recoloring as well. Okay, so this is the case 3. Of course, because it has a symmetric partner, it's going to be the same for this situation, but instead of rotating the grandparent to the right, of course we have to rotate it to the left. So we have the node X as a right child of a right child. This is basically the right heavy situation. We just have to rotate the whole tree with the help of the grandparent to the left, and we have to make some recoloring. The grandparent's color will be this red, and the parent of X will be the color black. And of course the subtrees are going to change, so the left child of the parent node is going to be the right child of the previous grandparent basically. Okay, so what's very important, that in this case, this node X is the right child of a right child, or a left child of a left child, and what's very important, that both of the cases, the uncle, so this node is a black node. So instead of recoloring, we have to make some rotations, and after the rotations, we just make the recolor phase. And the same is true for the symmetric partner. Thanks for watching.